guys, this is Funny and you are watching my channel Dev Speaks. Today's topic is October 2. Yeah, today's topic is on the Gandhiji and Shastriji. Gandhiji means Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu, and the Shastri means Lal Bahadur Shastri, the then Prime Minister of India. Both are born on 2nd October, while one was born on 1869 October 2. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 1869 October 2, and Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904. Two great personalities have their birthdays on October 2. Though it is some people do not know that yes, Lal Bahadur Shastri also has his birthday on that. We generally refer to it as the Gandhi Jayanti, but no, it is it's full. The days they normally known as Gandhi and Shastri Jayanti. Jayanti means birthday, Janmotsav. So, friends, we all know that Gandhiji is a pillar. We all know the life story and the history of Gandhiji, that I am not going there in details. But we should take him as a hero, because there's three qualities of Gandhiji that generally we all found. I don't know you guys have marked this or not, but I have marked this and really take him that he indeed is a hero. And we all should admire him, and he rightfully is the Bapu. Gandhiji's three main qualities that I like is, first one is simplicity. The man draped in lion cloth in cotton fabric, he devastated the ruling or literally destroyed the ruling empire of the Britishers in India. Can you all believe this? This is really awesome. If this we can refer to him as something as fairy tale, is hardly strong to believe, is very hard to believe, but still then this is true, and we as an Indian know this. The second quality is a strong leadership. From the epic Dandi March to the Salt Satyagraha movement, to the renouncing the foreign clothes, Gandhiji's leadership is everywhere. From the non-violence movement to the non-cooperation movement. How many would I refer? How many would I refer, friends? There are so many there that his strong leadership has always been a part of. It is generally believed that though there are other freedom fighters also, but it is also Gandhiji can be contributed or has contributed to the independence of India. Fighting without any word like non-cooperation and non-violence. I mean, who have ever thought of this? This is highly amazing. This is highly amazing. And also, his food was very simple. If you do not know what his food is, you will be shocked to hear. He generally can eat chutney, khichdi and some milk, and that is awesome. He generally travels by walking at that time, though there are vehicles, there are horses and everything, but yeah. Gandhiji's leadership, Gandhiji's simplicity, hats off to you. The third quality that I like is his, sorry friends, the third quality which I really like about him is his devotion. This is honesty. He was so honest that when he was even imprisoned, he did not let anybody think that he's a terrorist or he's going to be a traitor to the country. Instead, he kept on his strong path of non-cooperation. Now, I really believe that doing something in non-cooperation is highly difficult. Like the hook or strike or something they do, the fasting strike, they leave their foods and stop eating. I mean, who can do this, guys? He really is something. I cannot do this, but I really admire him as a great superhero. He's no more than a superhero. The other superhero that I refer to is the Lal Bahadur Shastri, and I'm a strong fan of him also. He also has a very simple personality and a very strong and dashing personality. Simplicity and strongness is the thing that are attributed to Gandhiji and Shastriji. Shastriji has started the green and white revolution, and for the guys who do not know what is this, you must have heard this slogan of him, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He is the person who first said that India lives in agriculture and defense, and Jawan and the Kisan, who are the two persons, the one who is responsible, who die for giving food to the country, and the other person who die at the border, that we as a simple person, I as a simple person can sleep in a healthy way. And the person who really thinks was given this slogan for the first time, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, I strongly admire to this person, and his thought of thinking is so high that I think I cannot reach there. Shastriji is a very strong person, and his quality like honesty, humility, and this humility and the strongness is something that he is attributed. There are some common similarities that these two great persons share other than their birth dates. The first one is both are honest. Both have humility. Both have their selflessness. Both have dedication and servicing towards country, towards the excellence of the country. And the last one that I really admire is their calmness and strongness in the timing of the heavy situations. I strongly admire it both, and on this day I really bow my head to you. Friends, I've come to this end of this episode. If you like this episode, please hit the bell, thumbs up button, and share this. Do make a comment on what topic you want me to make a video on. You're never alone. Like always mentioned, you can get in touch with me by Facebook and Instagram, and on YouTube also. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the bell icon and subscribe. Till then, this is me, Devashish Raj, signing off.